Aloha class, this is Brother Castillo, and this is our final screencast and final week of with lesson 14. I know it's you guys can see the light at the end of the tunnel as this semester comes to a close. So our final week will be a little different. We'll be reflecting and discussing personal accountability. I'll do a final Did You Know? Thoughts from lesson 13, assignments due for lesson 14, the HOA meetings this week, and a final thought. Did you know that the three most common languages in the world are Mandarin Chinese, Spanish, and English? All right, so some course final thoughts. What I would ask you to do is just kind of reflect on what you've learned in this course between the case studies and discussions, the 7 habits and 5 dysfunctions, and the accountability project. And I'd ask yourself, how have I become more of a disciple of Jesus Christ in my home, church, and the community? This is a class on organizational effectiveness and organizational leadership. Hopefully you've learned, though, a lot of the principles and concepts you've learned have gospel implications, and really it starts with you as an individual and how you can affect others at home, church, and in the community. Now the assignments that are due for lesson 14, so please pay attention as it's a little different from previous weeks. So for this week, pretty much everything is due on Friday, July 27th. You do have your second 360 that you need to complete regarding your team, a self-assessment that you'll need to complete, group activities where you present your personal accountability project to your group. And you can meet earlier in the week. So as I mentioned earlier, I mistakenly said that there would be no meetings. It was a little confusing on the instructions online, but you do need to present your accountability project to your group. And then submit your accountability final project online. There is information online about what needs, as far as the instructions for the final document. You'll find it at the final accountability project instructions, and make sure you upload it, okay, just like you would a case study. So for the HOA group meetings, I will be meeting with groups 3 and 4 this week. Just as a side note, July 24th is a Pioneer Day and an observed holiday for BYUI. I think there is one group that does typically meet on a Tuesday, which is the holiday. So you're not required to do so since it is a holiday, but if you can choose to do that if everyone in the group agrees to do that. So also no team leaders were assigned for this week. So just as a group determine who lead and record the meeting. Okay? And as I mentioned in the previous slide, make sure you use your final project document as a basis for your group discussion. As a final thought, good luck. You guys got this. Not like you'll need it. I've enjoyed working with all of you and meeting you, especially through the HOA meetings. Take care, good luck, and have a great day. Bye-bye.